Today I'm in the cab of a 2023 Case IH 7250. That's 337 engine, 263 separator hours. So this combine does have the Harvest Command automation, full guidance with the Pro 700 nav at a 392 WAAS receiver. Has a premium lighting package with the distance lights. This combine also has the heavy-duty final drives, which allows it to have the 410 bushel power-fold grain tank covers as well. Sitting on the VF 580 85 R42 Firestone tires and the VF 600 70 R28 steer tires. Combine also has the fine cut chopper option and the dual disc horizontal spreaders.